Hello YouTubers, in this video tutorial in Technotips for PC I am going to show you the latest version of Bitdefender Total Security 2015 working keys, and that keys will be provided in the description below this video. That's it. I have got this Bitdefender Total Security 2015. So it's a very neat and nice product. It's very good, but the most important thing is it's paid. So no problems. I have got some keys. At least from now you have got I've got the keys. I will share with you keys. So just go to your here and see. I will show you in live. Just I'm going to my folder. So what's this? Series. So if I give, suppose this sorry if the sound is not coming good, this first key is a resetter key. Now you can see here that it is already registered for 88 days. If I give this key, see, so just I'm giving it here and pasting it there, and it will automatically be registered for again reset for 28 days. That means it's a 30-day key, so it's working. Here see 28 days. Now I am again going for the 90 days key, so or you can have 175 days key. So all will be there in the links in the description, or you can just simply go here and just copy and just or type in there. You are done. So I am going now for this key. That key was there, this key. So just copy and just paste it there. Just delete and just paste. Let's see. And again get back to 88 days. So these are the keys. Thank you for watching and enjoy this product. This is very nice product. Thank you very much.